Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G71 5G, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Let me pick Tim, and here we have to tap on Edit Contact. Now let's pick this camera icon, which should be right in the middle, and as you can see we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can set we can pick either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got a person right in front of you and if you are able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Let's find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of this square, we can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. Of course you can change the position of the photo too. As I said, this area is responsible for what we will see after saving. Here you can also rotate the picture, so it's up to you, just set it like you want to, and if you're happy with the results, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, it immediately appeared right here, so remember about tapping on Save, which is in the right upper corner. It's very important. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. After getting back to the contact list, you will also be able to see it, and you will see it also whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your MOTOROLA Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.